Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I'm AmandaMuse and I'm very excited for a few reasons. The first is that it's a long weekend. The second is that I'm actually having some guests. I wasn't planning on it, but they are coming. And so now we have some things to do. So I've got to clean, I got to figure out what we're going to eat, and I want to make the house look like a little bit more festive, and I have a plan. So I've teamed up with Cricut Canada, and they have provided me with the new, at least it's new to me, the Explorer 3, and I have a plan about what I want to make. You know those beautiful signs that you see outside people's houses? I want to make like a festive one. I do have a bit of a list to get to before my guests get here. Now what day is it? It's Thursday. My guests arrive on Sunday, and I want to get as much as humanly possible done today and tomorrow as like a little bit of a, prepare in advance situation. I have noticed that when I look a little bit better, I feel a little bit better. So I'm doing this new thing where I just kind of like get ready. So let's get ready. Let's make some beds. Let's get this day going. There we go. I added some makeup. I did my hair. I don't know, the last few days I've just been feeling a little blah, and I've noticed that I was not really getting dressed. I mean, not that my leggings that I'm wearing is exactly like dressed, but I don't know, I was just like hoodies and sweatpants, and the weather shifted and the sun is not shining as much, and I was just looking at my face. Like, you guys know I love to work out. I've been doing a lot of workouts, so my hair's just been icky and a half pony. So I just thought, you know what, let's just freshen this up a little bit. And sometimes you can feel better, like you can trick your mind a little. So I don't know if that works, but that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna just quickly make the kids' beds because I tend to do that in the morning. And then I had asked Dean if he could, after he dropped the kids at school, if he could bring, if he could go check out and see if there was like a pine board. I could make this sign, like I have a whole vision. I found a picture on Pinterest. And so I think he's gonna be able to bring that back for me. So we'll check to see what he got me. And then we're gonna get started on this sign because I'm excited. I'm so excited to have my family here this weekend. And there we go. Kid number two's room is clean. I try to leave like the vacuuming and the mopping of the floors to right before everybody shows up. That way everything smells fresh and lovely. I'm just gonna get a little bit of work done. Excuse me, dogs. It was Dean. I gotta show you what he got me. I'm so excited. Why, dog? All right, we have this beautiful sign. Basically sent Dean a picture and he bought what was in the picture. So we have some flowers, some pumpkins, and some wheat. And I'm going to make this, excuse me, girls. I'm gonna make this the most beautiful festive autumn look that I've ever done. It's gonna be gorgeous. I've got to make a little bit more space for this baby, but this is like my favorite part when you, ta-da. Ooh, yes, madam, yes. Okay, and then I'm gonna work with this stuff, which is the smart vinyl, and I want the writing to be mostly in white, and I was thinking of adding red and this like really pretty yellow, golden yellow little accents for leaves and things. And this is one of my favorite things, the Cricut from the Cricut collection here. We have the cutter. Love this thing. We have all the little tools on the side here, and you can store them in here when you're not, oh, hello, scissors, when you're not using them. And this is kind of what I'm thinking, like right here. So
I really like those things.
Right? So, okay, so if you click on that, but I want to change the text, So this is an inspiration I found on Pinterest, and I really like just how this looks, but I wanted to add just a few things like a pretty little leaf. So I added my text.
So Canadiana.
Oh, hello. And doing a little trial and error to make sure that the letters aren't too stretched. It's a little tricky. So I'm just kind of playing with the width and the height. We made a last minute design decision, which is that we are actually gonna stain this plank of wood with coffee. I was looking at different ways to stain, and I'm in a bit of a crunch for time, and I want to have a little bit of a darker look to the wood, and you can do it with coffee. This has become a bit of a two-part series, so do part of it today, and then tomorrow come back and show you the rest. Is this instant coffee or regular coffee?
Regular coffee, and I mixed it a cup to a cup. Because I want kind of a dark. It's not going to be dark. Coffee stain isn't dark.
Right.
But you know what? It's cheap.
And
it's here.
It is here, and it'll give just enough of that contrast with the white lettering that I want.
Yeah.
So
all you have to do is just take about a cup and a cup, and then it's going to, once it cools, then we're going to strain it through one of these strainer bags. But if you don't have that, you could just use an old t-shirt or a rag or something.
Okay, cool.
Then we're going to paint it on, yeah.
Sweet.
Unloading
This
material.
is a beast of a machine. Unlike the last one, which was great, you were using like sheets of vinyl, so you would have to go letter by letter. This just did the whole thing. Amazing.
The final weeding.
That is so satisfying. All right, so here's where we're at, end of day 1. We did, in fact, stain that beautiful pine plank with coffee, and it looks amazing. It also smells fabulous. So we have got the fan, and it's going to sit there overnight. I have my leaves, a few different sizes, a few different colors. All right, the kids, they've returned. The kitchen, half messy, half messy. Let's do a quick lunchbox unpacking.
Can I show you what I made?
Yes, please, show me what you made. Jack, that is the cutest turkey I ever did see.
Out.
Nice work.
I made glass. Because I just put a circle and I was just like, why do I make glasses? And I just made glasses.
You know what? That turkey's hard to sight. His eyes, they're giving up on him, so he needs
see
glasses. He's a fear for his life. Run, turkey, run!
This is his beak.
Oh yeah, nice.
Go down. And I just wanted to make it a little interesting. I didn't just want to make it like eyes and like a mouth. I just wanted to
hear
make
that.
it, and like blue and red cheeks.
So cool, man. So cool. Okay. Why is everything all wet?
Because I
She did not eat much of her pizza. It looks like she got a little snack from class, but otherwise it's all good. How did Jack fare with, why is everything wet? It's like, maybe the car was wet? Weird. You ate every single thing in your lunch.
I did.
Bones me.
Except I left one there.
teeny
I
tiny grape.
just like-
You said, Mom, I can't do it. We did fast food for dinner. It's like a fake Friday, right? Kids have been so good-ish. And yeah, why not, right? Every now and then. It's so dark outside. Anyway, we're getting that workout in today. Did I sleep well last night? Not as well as I could have. Ugh. So I'm gonna get just a low impact today. It doesn't always have to be super high energy, you know? It's just moving that body, getting that heart rate up a little bit, maybe break out into a sweat. That's always my goal. And that's a wrap on today's workout. So you know what? Even though it's a low impact ride, I'm telling you, you still work up a sweat. So that was awesome. All right, we're doing this. Board, transfer tape, leaves, letters. Let's go. It looks so nice. Honey, what do you think? Oh, you like it. I love it. It looks so pretty. It's exactly the vibe I was going for.
Looks like you bought that at a furniture store.
Right?
It looks so good.
I made it. Low five me, low five me. Yes!
Good job, honey.
So proud of myself. And that's a wrap. I have done what I needed to do. I now have to sit down and do a touch more work before I actually wrap up my Friday. But I thank you for joining me for this like 2-part day in the life. It's kind of fun, little DIY, a little get organized, you know how it is. If you're curious about anything you saw in the video today, I'm gonna leave some notes, some comments, some links below, so check those out. And a big thank you to Cricut Canada for teaming up with me today and sponsoring this video. It's a beast of a machine. I'm a big fan of that Explorer 3, so if I can do it, I mean, you could totally do it, because I get nervous, but I handled it and it's gorgeous and I'm so proud of myself. So I'll catch you guys in a video next week. Bye.